Kenya is expecting to reap commercial dividends as people come out to impress those they love. The Kenyan flower industry is expecting to smile all the way to the bank, literally.
In Nairobi, just a day before this year's Valentine's Day, Paris Njeri, a florist based in Nairobi's city market, is juggling between taking orders and getting her stall ready for the hour.
This one will be 3,500, yes.
It is a special day for lovers and an even better one for her wallet.
Business, you are seeing like it will be very good this year because the Valentine has come on the weekend.
She's not alone. Florists have taken in more staff to beat the demand of Kenyans out to impress their loved ones. The market is teeming with women and men cutting and packing the roses. Nairobi is in step with the world, says Jane Gige, the CEO of the Kenya Flower Council.
Kenyans have developed an appetite for flowers as well, and that every Valentine we've seen them come out in their numbers to buy flowers from our local florists.
The Kenyan flower industry employs at least 500,000 people directly or indirectly, supporting at least 2 million households. And although the biggest market is in Europe for the Kenyan flower industry, Valentine's Day is just one of the days that locals can sample what the flower industry has to offer. Kenya exports at least 120,000 tons of flowers every year, bringing in at least $531 million. Valentine's Day, one of the best days for the industry.
This is one of the highest peaks. We do about 30% of our business during Valentine's. But remember that Kenya exports throughout the year. And we have other peaks, for instance, on Mother's Days in UK, Mother's Days in Europe, and then the Women's Day in Russia.
Last year, the country was able to meet and surpass its target. However, the introduction of duty on exports to Europe following failure by Kenya to sign the Economic Partnership Agreement on time is likely to cut the country's earnings.
This is unfortunate because 2014 was going to be a very good year for us. And to demonstrate that, by September, we had actually met our expectation for the year. We had already hit 120,000 tons.
Kenya is keen on diversifying its market, and apart from 85% of our exports that will go into Europe, the country is now exporting to Russia, Japan and South Korea.
We're still the #1 exporter into the European Union worldwide. So we are still holding our #1 position as the lead exporter into that market. We've now become a very significant exporter into the fastidious and exacting Japanese market. I think we're the #1 supplier in roses. And once we get direct flights, I'm sure that we shall also be able to participate equally well into the American market.
Back at City Market, work goes on. After all, Valentine's Day comes once in a year. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Kenya.